Now, you say because, as I've asked you, if this did not it did not surprise you, and you said yes, it didn't surprise you. Would you please, and I'm saying this with the greatest respect, unpack the experience that you have with regard to thief identifications?
I don't have experience as such. I rely on what I see on a picture. That's all.
Completely unbelievable there. So Advocate Mnisi just exposed this guy by showing that he does not have experience in identifying a gold tooth. So these investigators at the Meiwa trial, they approached Warrant Officer Mabaso, and said, can you identify if this guy, Mtobisi Mncube, has a gold tooth in his mouth by just simply looking at the picture? And Warrant Officer Mabaso, with his zero experience, he just looked at the picture and just concluded that he has gold tooth. So no experience whatsoever. And that is why Advocate Mnisi at one point, was actually saying to him, all that glitters is not gold, because what you saw was something that was glittering, which isn't even gold at all. So here Warrant Officer Mabaso is just basically just like us, just like us ordinary people who do not have expertise in identifying these things. So the defense argument is just going to come and just be like, the report that is there before the court, it's unreliable because Warrant Officer Mabaso did not have the expertise to identify a gold tooth. Now, on the other hand, who should have done that observation to say that Mtobisi Mncube had gold teeth in his mouth by looking at the image? So the person who should have done this is someone with forensic skills and expertise, because those people are trained to look at these things, unlike Warrant Officer Mabaso, who is just trying to identify something that may look like gold. Then he simply comes up with a conclusion and says, that's a gold tooth right there. But a forensic expertise, can actually identify these things, and they're actually objective with the task that they do. They are very objective, and it's not like they can be biased towards trying to identify these things. So this is the exposure of the witness at the Meiwa trial. I'll catch you guys on the next one.